How to use WhatsApp channels. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp channels. A great way to get updates from your favorite creators, brands, or organization. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now at the bottom or top on Android, tap the Updates tab. This is where you'll find status updates and channels. Scroll through the list or tap the Find Channels button to search for specific names like news outlets, celebrities, or tech pages. When you find one you like, just tap Follow. Now their updates will appear right here in your feed like a broadcast. To view updates, just tap the channel. You'll see text, photos, videos, links they have shared. You can also react with emojis, but no one else can see your reaction, it's private. Another thing is that channels are one way. That means only admins can post and your name or number won't be visible to other followers. And that's it. This is how you use WhatsApp channels. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.